Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle. Guys, this video here, where you know I go watch right now, I mean I be gonna watch it, like it, share it, comment on it. Yeah man, comment on it man, comment. But no matter what you are saying, bad or good, me understand the thing. Each of us have our own opinion towards life. So just like up the video, share the video, comment on it, and say anything when you want to say, because me understand it. Me will reply to them. But this video is the last video I go make on this thing. Yeah man, at the last video me go make on this thing. So watch the video, because guess what happened, guys? You see, there's a thing named accountability. We all have to stand up and take accountability for our actions. Yeah man, accountability is very important. So go and watch the video. I'm out.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Morning, good morning, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome, guys, to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. Guys, you know, I just, what time now? 9:36. I mean, I tell you, hot like a fire. But you don't know we are Jamaican, we are black man. But guys, before we go in like that, you see, ladies, some of the ladies, them, have you, when you're there, you're home, you see, and you are put on, figure out a door, and you take up the eyelash, and you take up the eyelash, you know the eyelash, the big one, the big long one, where when you put on it, you eye the you lash the wee out yourself. Far than my glasses. When I don't put it on, and you go out, you are gonna go out the door. Did you check the mirror? The mirror in your house. You know, like you're looking at the mirror and look how you look, and you know, you do this and you do that, and you look and see how you look. You don't do that? Because me go in a Walmart a while ago, and me see one lady the other day, and me see her today, and me have to go, hold on, are the same person that? This lady have on a eyelash. Guys, me nah lie on you, the eyelash there way out here so, and she a go. Guys, me don't know, me just not understand it. Guys, me cannot understand this eyelash thing, this big old eyelash thing. You know, like back in the days when we used to watch the show, Kermit and Miss Piggy, me just don't get it. Anyway, me not talk about that, right? Guys, me say I laugh till a week. But guys, me not talk about that. Right now, me I talk about different thing. Welcome, guys, to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on, how no do, how no stay, how no alright. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Enough respect. Guys, me want to get down in this video so bad that me no want to say nothing more. Wellness check. Please, me I beg you, do no wellness check. Check on our friends and family, and you know, make sure everybody alright, because mental health crisis is on a rise. And again, guys, domestic violence is very serious, and you know, people are lose them 3 points, people are lose them freedom, and all sort of things. So guys, I want to talk to you this morning, and guys, me I telling you the truth, I never want to make this video, because I make this video several times. Delete it. I didn't want to make this video, but I am going to make this video. And it's the final one. What me say? It's the very last one. Guys, I do want to make another video like this. Yeah, I do want to make another video like this, because I'm just a person who make videos different. So guys, hear me out. This thing we are going for how long with Colaz, I get from bad to worse. And then it a branch off to other people and it a get from bad to worse. Now, Colaz Smith never asks nobody for any help when him a build him channel, yeah? If the man build him channel, grow him channel, people love him, like what him a do, respect him, rate him, and give him the support. And him strive for that and work hard and get that. And people hate him for that. So me I say, people hate him for that. Also, what me really want to say is, none of us, me see people I say, me see people in my comment section I say, oh, I take Colaz for God. Listen me good. Me not take nobody for God. A one God there. One God me believe in. A one God. I mean in the right side of me right now, in the side of you, in the side of she, in the side of him, up in the heaven, in the all over the world. A one God, one man. Me no worship nobody but the good Almighty God and myself. Yeah, me no worship nobody. Talking good about others, talking bad about people, yes, me do that. Now, I see all the comments and I see all the things. But when you sit down and realize Colaz Smith is a guy where he try to help people, he help people, he do the best he can, yeah? Is Colaz Smith perfect? Hell no. Am I perfect? Hell no. Are you perfect? Hell to the no. None of we. Nobody on this earth. We don't know so much pastor breed off the people in the church. We don't know so much woman pastor take away all woman husband. We don't know see that. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. So Colaz not perfect, me not perfect, you will watch this video not perfect, none of us not perfect. Every single one of us on this planet called Earth have done something wrong. Me do things wrong. Me do things stupid. Me do things idiotic and wish I would take it back and change. Like when me cheat. When me cheat and mess up my marriage, I wish I never do it. Yes. I wish I never do it because my marriage was a good marriage, but me put punani before it and cheat and mess up my relationship. Yes, I me stand up on that because me a big man and me can say what me do. And that's why me tell you all the time. None of you can't find nothing from me to use against me because anything me do, me not afraid to tell you. Yeah, me not afraid to tell you. So when you check it out, Colaz are doing thing. A lot of people not like him because people saying this, saying that, saying this, saying that. A lot of people like him because him this and him that. Yeah, no problem with that. Every one of us have our own opinion. Me make content about Colaz. Me make good content about Colaz. Me make bad content about Colaz. Well, and a really bad content is just a content I make when I see something wrong. Yes, because I saw mistake. Yeah, that's how I am. I make content about Alicia Kim, good one. I make content about Alicia Kim saying I didn't like what she did with the prank. And that's just how I am. Now, when Knife Ninja come out with him video and say him a go listen me good enough. When Knife Ninja come out and say Colaz Smith subscriber attack him and said me make a video, you know. I tell Knife Ninja say he must keep pushing, do him thing, go on do him thing. Yeah, because I saw mistake. That's how I am. When Knife Ninja come out and make him content, cause me a Knife Ninja no friend, me's a content creator. When Knife Ninja come out and make a video about leaving Colaz Smith, me listen to the video. And the way he make the video to put pressure out there. He make the video literally, listen to me, listen to what I'm saying before you're ready to start terrorizing me. He make the video to show up Colaz Smith. That's the reason why he make that video that way. He never make that video with any good thing in his heart. Because again, me know, remember? Me know a little, well, not really a little, me know a lot about Knife Ninja movements and what Knife Ninja was saying about Colaz Smith. So it's not like he just get up and say, he might go left Colaz Smith. Boom. It is planned. It's a planned thing. I could have telling you all down at the river. Where you see river where he might go now, there was him do a video down at that river. And listen to me good now. And me go say this to each and every one of you. Him do a video down at that river. Where him no video. Him no video. But me know about that river event. See, that's the thing where someone don't understand. However, him do him thing, I mean reading to the video, I may say, this brother ain't easy at all. Then he make another one. I may say, So everybody now start make video. Colaz make one. Alright? That's all gone. The brother come out make video. Because it's a planting. Everybody know what going on because they've been talking about Colaz not giving them any support and help and money. Knife Ninja been calling Colaz. Listen to me good enough. Colaz, you hear me I say? Me just attack my mind. Some things now come out. But me attack my mind. Me just my final video is about this whole Knife Ninja thing. So when him a call Colaz, you no really know and realize a money him a call Colaz and a beg Colaz and want Colaz for mind him and him family, for give him money, for parent, for do this, for do that, for do this. How can you be a man and just because you know say you're a friend have some money, you are call him and want him to mind you. And you think that's cool. Alright, so that pass and gone. People start make video now, start to beat him. Yeah? No. You know, I just say go because people are going to beat you. Content creating, people go make video. Alright. Me make a video, see? And the video me make my video them. I make a video, and in the video me make, me say, listen me good enough. Me say things about, because remember, you know, if me never come out and tell all I know, yeah, if me never come out and tell all I know about the money business, how the money go, uno me would know now up till now. If me never come out and say, this a part of what happened, most of you would know, said there was a money issue. Alright, so me come out, me put out all of that. Me I make content, but me not really put out exactly. Because there was supposed to be a part 2 to the first video me make. Me decided to say no. Because somebody called me and said, Rodney, don't do that. And I say, alright. So me go around them things and make video. Guys, when me go around them things and make video, I realize something. And I say to myself, this don't look good enough. Because, again, them people here, everybody I make video and now really realize the videos we want to make. The man we want to rate and respect and we want to support him, Colaz Smith, him brand. All of what the video them I make is under him brand. Colaz me now come out, you know, listen me. Colaz Smith, any which part there, if you are listening to this video, I just me this attack and me not attack on the behalf of you, but me just attack when me think and how me feel. Colaz me not say nothing about certain things because of how he stay. But me ask myself and Uno is, do you believe say the videos where everybody I make and I talk about colors and I do you all realize that it is something that's tarnishing his brand, the brand Colaz Smith? People don't really care about that because everybody depend the bandwagon and look money. Alright. I don't know. And me just a say it out of my mouth. I believe I see Colaz Smith go up on my final video this about this whole knife ninja thing. You know? I see Colaz Smith go up on what name? Vibes Studio live, you see? And me I go tell you the truth. And the truth is within me and how I feel and how I believe. I believe that today's day, anywhere Colaz sit down, Colaz must sorry the day in go up on that channel. And that's just my opinion, you know. I believe that Colaz Smith must be sorry that he, Colaz Smith, went on Vibes Studio Live. And the reason why I say that is look at the things that Vibes Studio is doing in Colaz Smith name. By calling Knife Ninja, try to set up Knife Ninja. Because that was totally trying to set him up. However, I could move through that. That's Colaz thing still. Colaz do it on his own. But me know saying do it on his own. Wasn't even thinking, but I think right now he must have think. Say, why did I do that? But Colaz, I saw it go. I saw it go. If you think that, I saw it go. If you not think that, I still saw it go. That is, everything you do is your opinion. And you know what you do. For yourself and your brand. Now, let us move over to where Knife Ninja, I do all of the things them. And I beg and I do all things. And I just feel ways that getting him money. Yeah? How I feel about it? I feel as a grown man, you must work. You must go look work. You have a content, you have a YouTube channel where it's just like Colaz Smith, work hard. You can work hard. You can work hard, make a whole heap of video at Jamaica, you're there. And build your channel to a certain level where everybody love it, everybody like it, and still beg, and still ask for money. People is going to help you. No matter what you do, people is going to help you. But you now put the work in. That's my problem with Knife Ninja. Making content is making content because I am a content creator. Now let me reach down to the nitty-gritty of this thing. You have a whole heap of content creators that make video. And you have content creator where use people video and make content. Yeah? YouTube have a policy. Listen me good enough. YouTube have a policy that tells you that fair game, fair share is possible if you use the video a way that the video will look like it is your video. So in other words is you take a person video and fix it up and put it together and make it look like yours. It don't look like that person video anymore. Listen me good, I use people video, and if you notice sometimes what I do, I take out the background and just have that person alone. Not the background, just him and the whole of my screen. Or I will have that person tiny. Or I'll just use a little part. Where YouTube will say, alright, put some writing in there. Where YouTube will say, okay, that's fair. You make it is. Okay. Now, Bull is a very good content creator. Bull, big up yourself. When you listen to me I say now. Because I don't come here to bash no man. I just come here and talk my truth. Bull is making content, yeah? However, Bull use Knife Ninja content and beat Knife Ninja. Now, let me say this. I never dare go do that. No, I never dare go do that. That was my style. Yes, that was my style. Yeah, man, that was my style. I used to use, but I used to have myself in the video. Now, Bull use Knife Ninja one video and beat him for a while. Was that good? That was good for Bull. I was cracking up because me I watch them and me I laugh. Me nah make no video like that. All right. So when Knife Ninja, me make a video and me say, man must be careful. Me never call nobody name. Me say people must be careful of using people video. When you are going to make a video and you use people video, put yourself in it or do something to it. Me can't tell a man what to do. Me can't tell nobody what to do or how to do their thing. They're doing their business themselves. Then me hear Knife Ninjas come out with a video and say, them no know say him can strike them, but a true him they on a different level. And it's like him say people to stop using video. Me hear that. Yeah, me hear that. Was he wrong? No. I film video. And him make them. Am I taking up for Knife Ninja? Hell no. It doesn't speak truth. When him say about the strike, and I see a video where Bull do, afterwards, me I say, why Bull serious? Look like he no believe say that man I go do nothing. So me say, alright. Me see a next video, me see a next video, me see a next video. I don't say a thing. Me watch them, like them, comment on some of them. Until poof. Somebody send me the video. Say Bull gets strike by Knife Ninja. Me say, what? Without even delay, I jump on Bull, watch the video. See Bull, I say, wagwan. And I realize Bull use a word. And what Bull say was, we no fi use Knife Ninja name because Knife Ninja strike. So in other words is a protest. Bull say, boy, I make a protest. Him never say protest, but it's like him a say, we are going to protest him because him in strike. A man, wish him have all right to do the striking because Bull give him the open floodgate for strike him because you are use film own content for beat him. So now him all open up for strike you. And a film content that him make it. So him can strike you. If not, well, the word is him have all right. Well, I wouldn't really say. Well, a film video. So him can strike you, him can not strike you, him can, you see what I say? However, him strike. So Bull talk. So when Bull talk now, me now, as a content creator say, me I go make my video and me I go call him name. Me see a lot of people say, him can't strike if you call a name, which me know that. But I was being a team player. But after me sit down, I said to myself, I said, no, sir. You know, me need to not jump in that thing because me need to get out of it. And me need to get out of all this. Because my channel is not about all this. It shouldn't be all this. It should be something different. So me sit down and me make some more content, and I decided not to post them. But then in the same content that Bull make, Bull was saying some things about where him come from and who he is and all those things. What I did that was wrong, I repeated what Bull said. And after a while I said, sure, I should not repeat that, because it sound like, it sound like, it sound more like, threat. And me say, I should not say that. I shouldn't follow that line. Then boom, me looking at my comment section. Somebody say me a threaten Knife Ninja, when all I did was say, did you hear what Bull say, where him come from and all those things, yeah? And I sit down and I say to myself, this thing I got too far and I need to stay away from it. Because Colaz Smith never asked for this. Yeah? Colaz Smith never asked for none of this. His name ringing out in all these kind of things. And I sit down and I say, you know what? I close one chapter that I say I won't make another video about that guy over there. And I say, I'm going to do the same thing with this Knife Ninja situation. And guys, I see some people writing some things. And I tell you the truth, I do not want to rude to anybody and will not rude to none of you out there. So I decided to myself to make this video. Because me and nobody deserve some things when I see I go on. And I go tell you something, to be honest with you. And I go be honest. Should Knife Ninja leave Colaz Smith? Him is his own man. Him can left whenever time him want. How him do it? Yes, he didn't do it right. He didn't do it right. He did not do it right. Should Knife Ninja be out there begging like he's on the street side? Hell to the no. He should go make a lot of content, make a lot of content so that he can get money to buy these things too. Getting help is good, but you need to help yourself before other people help you. Can he cook? No, I don't think Knife Ninja can cook. Is he trying? Yes, he might try. Is he doing it the right way? Hell to the no. Should he be beaten, making content about? Hell yes, he's a content creator. That's what happened when you come on YouTube. That's what happened when you put your life out there. That's what happened when you put your business out there. People is going to talk about you. And if you don't want nobody to talk about you, leave YouTube, leave social media, because people is going to talk. You can't stop people from talk. You cannot stop people from saying nothing out of their mouth. Each person is of the freedom of talking. It's up to you to use what people is doing and what people is saying and show them that what you're saying about me is a lie. It's your job to do that. Your job is to make people see how strong it is. Your job is to come out and fight like a man, like a beast. Your job is to come out and make content. Your job is not to be sitting down talking about Colaz must come down because Colaz not giving you what you need. And your job is not to be talking about Colaz never wrong, Colaz never wrong, Colaz never wrong. Colaz wrong? Hell yes, Colaz wrong. let me say something to you. You all remember when me make the video saying that Colaz should have said something to Daddy Gargan when Daddy Gargan was beating Murphy? Where were you all when I was making them videos? I do not play around. I respect Colaz, I respect everybody. But don't believe that I'm going to sit down and don't make no video. I respect Bull. I respect Bull. But let me say this to you. Did Bull did something wrong? Yes, Bull did something wrong. Bull violate the YouTube policy. Bull violate the policy of YouTube by using his content. Yes, there's a policy there. Should Bull take accountability? Hell to the yes. Should Knife Ninja take accountability to what people is saying about how he go about the Colaz Smith thing? Hell to the yes. They should take accountability for their action. You think I'm not going to take accountability for my action? Yes, I'm going to take accountability to my action. If I do something wrong, I'm going to stand up as a man and say, yes, I did it. Yes, I shouldn't have done it that way. But in the heat of the matter, Bull just come out, and because that's how it goes. That's why sometimes they say you must wait until things cool off before you do anything. That's what I should have done when I make the video. I should have just said, sit back and say, But again, I never like to make video fast. People always say, Rodney, you don't make video fast enough. You wait until it die out. But when I make the video that fast, because I just get the video and I make the video right away. But my viewers and subscribers, I just believe this thing must stop. I just believe this whole thing. It's content, yes, but I just believe this whole thing must stop, because I believe that Colaz Smith must tired. Colaz Smith must sicken and tired of it. I know Colaz Smith not going to come out and make no video about it, but I know Colaz Smith must tired for hearing name just a ring out, him name just a call, him name just a ring out. So every turn him turn, him name a call upon something that is bad. Me nothing like, me know Colaz must sit down, and I said, Jesus. Me know when Colaz go my yard, sometime he must go, so what next? Me not in him house, but me know he must do it, because me do it, and me now feel them the kind of pressure like what I feel when people are talk about him all the second minute of the hours of the day, and me feel like, wow. Whew. So my viewers and subscribers, that was just my words towards this whole thing with Colaz, name, Knife Ninja, the Bull, and the striking. Me think people must take accountability, and you're wrong. You do your thing, and I just believe that's just where it is, and people for just wipe the slate and just move on and just make content and just Missy Mackie change his channel to the voice of the homeless, and me I tell you, Mackie channel a fly. There is things out there that we all can make content of, and we can do, and I think that's what should be happening. I think the Colaz Smith situation is getting from bad to worse. Threats. I wonder to myself if some of these people who is talking about each other, I'm wondering if some of these people ever meet up together, like two of them see each other on the street. I wonder what will happen. I know anybody I see that I talk about, if I should see them on the street, I'm gone about my business. I ain't paying nobody no mind. But if somebody should approach me with any argument, I personally like to walk away. Yeah, but if you walk me down, yeah, we may have a little arguments. But me like to walk away, because you know me love to walk away from trouble. But guys, it a get away now, because guess what happened? I see some people in my comment section, I say, oh, we figure look work. And we are hypocrite and all kind of something. And people, let me say this to you, say, when you see my food truck when me have, them vandalize my food truck. So me can't go out and I sell food like me normally do. What do you think me do? Me do small catering and me go do some work to make money. People have Amazon lists. I don't have one because I am afraid to beg money. Should I make one? People say I should. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. People say I should go live. Maybe, maybe not. Well, I go live though. But my viewers and subscribers, I just have to make this video, and I will come in now and then and make videos, but I not go sit down and continue on the street, you know, making these videos every day about, you know, it doesn't make any sense. It start to make no sense to me. So again, guys, enough respect, no say a word, peace and love. I don't know, me love you no matter what you say about me, me love you no. Bull, big up yourself, enough respect. Me just have to make the video this way because the truth is the truth, and going forward, all you have to do just, what me do, this is how me do, Bull. Me send people emails, ask them if me can use them content, and them tell me say yes. And me keep the email, that's if in case them strike me, me can send it to YouTube and say yes, them tell me say yes. And that me do. Or if me have a number, me call a man, or if me have a WhatsApp, me take message a person and say if me can use them video. That's so me do. That is what me do. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I'm out. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. I'm out.